Are you in a frame?
Yeah.
You are.
Yes, I'm right there.
You're on the very outer edge of
whatever, I'm here.
The video. So today we're doing a video of my husband Andy painting me doing my Halloween makeup. You see all those videos of other YouTubers having their husbands or boyfriends do their regular everyday makeup, but I thought it'd be more fitting to have him do my Halloween makeup. I don't know what he's doing. I just have all this makeup laid out for him, but he says it's too much makeup, so we'll see what he does. I kind of explained some things to him. We'll see what he does. I can't see anything that's going on. He just told me to put this purple wig on, and that's it. So, do you have anything to say?
Not really. This is just a lot of makeup right here. I really think that you are thinking that I was going to do something more fabulous than
No, I just gave you every option that you might need. This is really not a lot of makeup.
It will maybe be cool, but you gotta move this out of the way though.
What are you doing? Okay, that doesn't do anything.
I moved my hair out of the way. Hold on, wait a minute. Oh, I didn't do this right. Bam! I got like a fro thing. Woo! I'm trying to think. Where should we start with? This thing?
That's a...
I know what it is.
Okay.
It's white.
Mm-hmm.
It's white eyeliner.
Mm-hmm.
Stop moving. It's making the lines all stupid. Why are you laughing?
Okay, go.
But I gotta outline it first.
You can still outline with this.
With this.
You're gonna waste all my white liquid liner.
Oh, I smudged it. It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. I already started with this.
Okay, well, if you need it, I would rather you use this because I use that.
But I'm almost done though.
Okay. All right.
Jeez. Somebody's very testy with their white eyeliner.
We need to show them what you're
using.
using too.
Is this a black pencil? Oh my god.
Yep, you need to hold it up to the camera and
I know, but I
them.
don't know. You look like a clown right now. But you're not a clown, I promise. So just because this is white doesn't mean I have to use this on white stuff, does it?
No.
Because I need to paint like a lot.
What color?
Hold on a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I think I'm just gonna use this. I need a sharper one than that. What's this? Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about.
There's this one too.
I'm gonna do what? Can this go on your lips?
Yes.
Do you put it on your lips?
You can put it on the lips.
But I need to do the. I need to stop it. Knock it off. You're interrupting my thinking process. I don't know what this is. This is a brush, but I don't know what kind of brush. This is just a brush that I'm gonna put some water in. This midnight red paint stuff.
You talk a little louder.
Whatever, dude.
A little harder than that.
Chill, bro.
I'm just trying to
I
help.
don't need that much red, though. That's why. Hold on.
You can't be wet. You need to make it creamy.
I got you now, because I see that now. Open your mouth. I said don't open. Close it. I'm painting your lip ring. Oops. How long does it take to dry? Can I put white around it right now? You can open your mouth now.
It takes a few seconds to dry.
Yeah. Oh wait, I forgot to put that. Well, it's been night paint too, but it's just white. God. We had a spill.
We had a spill?
Okay, it's okay. We took care of it.
Okay.
Oops. Oops. This looks horrible already. This is bad. I fucked up.
You got to be a little bit more precise.
I messed up.
You
I mixed the red and the white on the face together, so I need to cover it up with white.
I told you to wait.
Cheekies. So it'd be less hard to do if you didn't have cheek piercings.
It's weird. I do that. I do my makeup all the time with cheek piercings.
Well, I'm not I don't do this all the time.
Mm-hmm.
I don't even do this on Halloween. I do this when you ask me to do it. One time in my life. Oh my god. Close your eye. This is gonna be the worst Halloween. This is gonna look like a kindergartner did this.
I thought you said you were gonna be good at it.
Nope. I talked a lot of shit before I did this. Like I do mostly all the time before I do things.
Quit doubting yourself.
Huh?
Okay.
I'm not down. I know it looks stupid. It's okay. I don't care. It's not doubt. If you have to care to doubt it, I knew this was going to be done. I'll rinse that off. Oh my Lord, baby Jesus. Let's do it up. No.
You need small. You're using too big a brush.
Chill, bro. I got to paint a large area first.
Okay.
I don't know how far down I'm supposed to paint.
Just go to my neck. Do you think this is hard?
Dude. Well, yeah. I told you I'm not an artistic person. I don't draw very well. And I definitely don't paint very well. I can play video games really well.
That's all you can do.
Well, I can cook really well too, apparently. That's a pretty good thing I can do. I can make a mess of this paint pretty good. But I was like painting a mustache. You're ruining my mustache. It's not a mustache. Let's get some paint all up in them nostrils. Okay. Oh, I got it. I got it. I got it.
No, you don't got it.
Stop touching the stuff. Perfectly good paint right here. Close this one.
I have to close both. So.
You can't close one eye?
No, it's very hard.
That's dumb.
Oh, you can do it? Oh yeah, we had to fucking make a stupid ass face.
Well, I could do it still, it doesn't matter. I don't want to make sure it was good. I got a lot of paint out of this one. This one goes, still looks super good. I think you need to let me mix the paints.
Okay. Okay.
Because this other side looks stupid right now. I don't think I did that one right. That's it. We gotta put a fake mustache over here. Real one.
Oh! I shaved my mustache, thank you.
I need to shave my mustache. I burnt it off right here, so it kind of looks stupid. Yep. Okay. What do we do now? There we go. It's just a tip. Is that glitter?
Yeah.
Gross.
Gross?
Yeah, let me see if this
Glitter?
works.
Gross?
I don't know what to do with this brush. Can I throw it?
No, we can't throw it.
There's too much brushes right there.
It's fine.
It's gonna get all over the mayor of Halloween Town's face.
Why are you laughing?
Because he looks stupid right now.
Oh my god.
Nobody has any idea what you are. You look like a clown.
I'm so scared.
Me too, a little bit.
You're like spooky?
You're, yeah, but that's because I suck at painting. It's not because this is spooky.
Yeah.
Nobody watching this video is going to guess. And even after I tell them who this is, they're probably going to have to go Google it. You're going to have to go Google it.
Why would you pick something like that? I
Because
wanted to do like a skeleton or a clown
No,
or
it's spooky.
a fucking
Well, you know me.
pumpkin.
I did a comic book character. Poop stain. I should have done a fucking pumpkin because it would have been easier. I just slapped some red up there, painted a mouth and some eyes on the pumpkin, and there you go, with a pumpkin.
Wait, no, pumpkins are red.
I said orange.
He's a red.
Whatever, dude. You know what I meant orange.
Yeah, pumpkin would have been a lot easier.
Yeah, well, we didn't do that. We went for the toughest shit that I could possibly think of.
I told you not to use it too hard.
I did. Now you look like Grimace.
I don't know who Grimace is.
You don't know who Grimace is?
No.
Grimace is the purple thing from the McDonald's commercials. Tattoo liner, huh?
Yeah.
Who makes this stuff? Oh, Kat Von D. I used to watch her on TV when I was getting like 5. How do I make this more? Do I just press it in here?
No, you just keep going. You don't need to do anything.
That took a lot of stress on my eyes. Okay.
How is it going?
Okay. It's okay. With a bit of lines, that needs to not be lines. It needs to be more like kind of like water. Like it needs to flow, not be straight. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, look at me now. Oh,
That's fine.
I'm making a mess.
That's what happens.
Wait, I don't get mad and throw all this stuff.
So what that I throw temper tantrums? Who cares?
I care.
Why?
I have to listen to it.
I don't have a beard.
Hey, you look like a strawberry shortcake in the middle.
You go in too fast.
Okay, alright, hold on. Oh my goodness.
You need to be like gentle and like take like slower.
When all else fails, you just put paint on fucking paint until the shit turns out how you want it to turn out.
Is that the trick?
Yep. I don't know, man. I'm just kind of smearing shit around right now. Right here.
Are you gonna draw teeth?
Kinda.
You want something smaller?
No.
Smaller,
You're not understanding what I'm doing, though. So
Okay.
don't fucking come at me sideways.
Okay.
Ooh, we'll fucking fight right here on camera. I do need a smaller brush.
Why don't you listen to me?
So much paint on your face.
It feels so thick.
It's so thick.
Keep going.
I can't. It's wet still. Sponge. Give me sponge.
Oh God.
I'm just gonna dap it up a little bit. Just dry it up a little bit. Does it still feel thick?
Like really thick. Like I don't think I ever had this
Whatever, dude.
thick of paint on my face before. I literally feel like I can't move my mouth.
You look stupid.
Quit saying that.
That's my painting. I can say it looks stupid if I want. What? That's how that works, right?
Just not. You don't need to make the sounds.
That's what you're supposed to do. Ever so gently. Boop. There we go. I have to do the sound effects, okay?
Why you do the sound effects?
Yeah, fix it. Don't. I'm not done with it yet. Stop looking.
I'm not looking. I can't see. I'm showing them to the camera.
Don't show them. It's not done yet.
Mm.
I'm just gonna blend it in.
Okay.
Okay? Alright.
Are you painting me as... No.
As what?
Venom.
Kinda. Its name is Agony, but yeah. It's, so... in the comic books, there's this guard for this place called the Life Corporation. They have like a sample of the Venom suit. It was in the comic books, I don't know if it was in the movie, but from the Venom suit, they make 5 offsprings, I guess you would call it. They're children of the Venom suit, and one of them's name is Agony, and it attaches itself to a guard that works for the Life Corporation. Her name is Leslie. She becomes the symbiote called Agony.
Yeah, that stinks.
Well, I burped, so
You're right in my face.
Well, what do you want me to do? I have to
Blow it
finish
the other
painting you.
direction.
How'd you win it? It took you this long to figure that out?
Mm-hmm.
I bet you everybody figures it out way before you figure it out.
Well, I can't see what you're painting, but I have a good idea of what you've done so
I'll
far.
show you a picture of what you're supposed to look like after this. I don't know how you paint yourself without your eyes going dry.
Because I blink.
I don't. I'm pretty sure I'm going to hear about this from like a lot of people.
What do you mean?
That I'm not a very good painter. You don't think that my friends are going to make fun of me for this?
Your eyes watering.
I
Means that
know.
you're crying.
I know. It's because I am. This is pretty sad that I'm doing this. We're almost done. Don't worry.
Don't worry, I'm a little worried.
You should be worried, but we're almost done, so it's okay. You look like poo.
I was like, what?
You look like a butt.
Look like a butt?
Yeah. That's what you're supposed to look like.
I'm scared to look. You did not do a bad job. Show them. Show the...
Okay.
Like right there. That's what I'm supposed to look like. Okay.
But half human still.
Oh yeah, it's not awful.
It's pretty bad.
I mean, candy corn, sorry. How do you think you did?
Bad.
You think you did bad? Why do you think you did bad?
I don't know. It's not that bad, I guess.
It's not that bad.
It's alright.
Tell them what I'm supposed to be.
The symbiote agony. Will you stop eating candy corn? The symbiote agony from the Venom comic book. A Lethal Protector comic book.
I told him to do Halloween makeup, and this is what he did.
It's Halloweeny, and Venom comes out on October 5th. That's like Halloweeny.
I guess you're right.
Yeah, so boss, and it might be in the movie. Who knows? It's the comic book is what the movie is based on. So
Did you like doing it?
not really.
Do you think, was it hard?
Yeah. Well, yeah, and I feel like I put a lot of paint on your face.
You did it. It feels weird to move my mouth.
It looks like I used a lot.
You did use a lot of paint. Yeah. Let's turn this down so we can see.
A lot of paint.
A lot.
Whatever.
I think you did a pretty good job.
Looks okay.
Don't think you did a bad job.
This is supposed to be purple though. Because she's purple. She's the purple one. There's a yellow one too.
I mean, and you did something that I've never done before, so.
Yeah. So there you go. Great. Now you can do it with your own.
Oh, it'll look 100 times better.
Well, don't be a dick. Don't be pompous.
That's literally how you act about everything.
Whatever.
Well, thanks for watching him do my makeup. This was a fun experience. I think I need to do his makeup now.
No.
I think we need to do a one where I do his makeup.
No.
Why not?
We're good.
Why not?
Because I don't want my makeup done.
Alright, well make sure you subscribe to my channel and you go back and you see all of my other Halloween videos. I have a lot, and it is the month of October. I have a ton of videos and a ton of Halloween videos from previous years, so make sure you go check them out. Anything else?
Nope.
Okay.
I'm good.
Alright.
I don't want to do makeup no more.